Sobrang sawa na akong gumamit ng mga blush for my color corrector. As you can see, kailangan ko talaga ng color corrector because of my discoloration in my beard area, here on my under eye, here on my mustache area. As you know, meron siyang bluish undertone. Maka-cancel out yung bluish undertone sa aking mukha with a peachy to orange color corrector color spectrum. Tama ba yun? Char? I gave in. Medyo pinag-ipunan ko to ng siguro mga 2 days. This is the Strokes Beauty Love Spot Veil Color Corrector. In fairness sa packaging niya, ang ganda. Sabi dito, this is oil-free matte liquid color corrector, which is I love. And this is a recommendation from Miss Nix of Nix Institute of Beauty when I did a makeup class with them. Na-in-love na ako talaga with this. So, ang target ko talaga with the color corrector is either Get Ready With Me or this Strokes na Spot Veil Color Correct. And I gave in sa Strokes kasi naka-sale siya. So maglagay na tayo ng ating color corrector. Here first sa under eyes. Personally, mas gusto ko siyang gamitin ng buffing brush compared to eye sponge para at least mas ma-diffuse ko yung product nicely. And actually guys, kailangan mo lang talaga ng one dot with this color corrector. And oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Ayun siya. Ang daling i-blend. Oh my god. Ito na yung magic na makikita nyo. Should I remove this? Pero yan, kita nyo na yung magic. As you can see, yung aking under eyes, pumantay na yung kulay niya sa aking skin tone. By the way, I am using the shade Medium CC. I think pwede rin ako sa Light CC. Ayun siya. Kita nyo ba yung difference niya? Ito yung with color corrector and ito yung aking skin tone. So, pumantay talaga siya. Blend ko lang to sa kabila. Oh my God. Ayan. Kita nyo ba? So, napansin nyo kung paano nabuhay ng color corrector yung under eyes ko. Talagang nawala yung kanyang bluish undertone. Ang color corrector is para mahabol niya yung natural skin tone mo and to remove the bluish undertone with your under eyes and your other discolorated face. Discolorated, maglalagay rin ako here on my upper lip or my mustache area. Tapos blend lang natin siya. Ayun oh, grabe, ang ganda. Alam mo to, this one is very easy to blend. Ayan siya. And gusto ko rin yung hindi siya agad nagsiset. So you have time to blend. Ayun siya. Oh my God. Ang perfect niya, grabe. Uy, pasabog. So nakita niyo siya. Tapusin ko na tong pagko-color correct natin kasi sobrang natutuwa ako with this product. Maglagay na tayo dito sa beard area. So as you can see sa beard area ko, talagang dyan yung may grabing discoloration gawa ng facial hairs ko. And hindi ko nun masisisi kasi facial hair yan eh. Anong magagawa ko? Ikusat silang natubo dyan. So, wala. I just have to live with it. And pag nagkapera ako talaga, ipapatanggal ko yan ng malala. By the way guys, let me know if gusto nyo pa rin akong gumawa ng aking thoughts with my experience sa pag-diode laser sa mukha. Kasi sobrang hindi ko siya natapos. Blend lang natin. Kailangan niyang ma-blend para walang chismis. Right after that, sineset ko siya ng loose powder. Gagamitin ko itong Get Ready With Me loose powder. This is in the shade Cream Puff. Of course, dito sa under eyes. So, bakit ko ba siya sineset ng powder? Para at least mag-mattify na siya and hindi na siya mag-move. Kasi pag hindi ko siya sinet with powder, and then naglagay ako ng aking base makeup like foundation, concealer, magagambala niya yung aking base. So, kumbaga, maghahalo siya. And mawawala yung kanyang purpose. Kailangan mo talaga siyang iset ng powder. Yung technique na to, usually talagang ginagamit to ng mga drag queens. Kasi drag queens, ayan, kailangan nila ng color corrector because of their, again, facial hairs. Mag-drag queen na rin ba ako? Char. Ayan, sobrang perfect na and sobrang perfect rin talaga. I'm glad na bumili ako ng Strokes color corrector kasi it's so worth it. And palagi ko tong gagamitin even for everyday use. Even! So ikaw, kung meron ka rin maraming facial hairs, discoloration, it's time to color correct. Bye!